This is the operation video for the rapid 2019 novel coronavirus IgG and IgM combo test card. Open the box, take out the instruction manual, capillary tube, sample buffer, and foil bag. All samples and kit components should be brought to room temperature before testing. Take out the test card from the foil bag and put it down flat on the table. Withdraw 2 microliters of samples with the capillary tube to the mark. Add the samples to the sample well. Add 2 drops of sample buffer to the sample well and start the timer. Wait for 15 minutes and read the results.